very good morning, class 6. Today we are going to discuss our history chapter, what books and burials tells us. So, first we are going to discuss about the books. Which were our oldest books? Our oldest texts were Vedas. Vedas means knowledge or wisdom. These were the texts of ancient India and these were the sacred books of Hinduism. ये हिंदुइज्म की सेक्रेड बुक्स हुआ करती हैं और हुआ करती थी. And these were considered the oldest text in the world. ये सबसे पुराना टेक्स्ट जो था वो था वेदास का. According to Hindu tradition, the god told these Vedas to the rishi. हिंदू ट्रेडिशन के अकॉर्डिंग ये वेदास जो है गॉड ने ऋषिज को बताए थे, सुनाए थे. एंड एज देयर वाज नो राइटिंग एट दैट टाइम द ऋषिज केप्ट पासिंग देम ओरली टू नेक्स्ट जनरेशंस एंड प्रिजर्व देम. और ऋषिज ने फर्दर अपने शिष्यों को वो बताते थे एंड दीज वर ट्रांसफर्ड ओरली याद रखना पड़ता था उनको एज देयर वाज no writing at that time. There are 4 of them: the Rig Veda, the Samveda, the Yajur Veda and the Atharva Veda. The oldest Veda is the Rig Veda. It was composed about 3500 years ago. ये कितना पुराना है? 3500 years ago. The Rig Veda includes more than 1000 hymns, and these were the religious poems written in praise of God or related to God, and these were also known as suktas, which means well said. And these hymns were written in praise of various gods and goddesses, and the 3 gods, important gods were the Agni, the god of fire, the Indra, the warrior god, and Soma. This was a plant from which a special drink was made. So these suktas and hymns were written in praise of these gods, mainly 3 these gods. And moreover, these hymns were composed by rishis, and priests taught students to recite and memorize each syllable. तब वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स को, अपने डिसेपल्स को क्या करते थे? ऋषिज जो हैं सिखाते थे और उनको ये याद कराया जाता था, ये हाइम्स और ये सूक्तास. Each syllable, each word and sentence with great care and make them learn. उनको याद कराए जाते थे because as there was no writing. The Rig Veda was the oldest one and it was written in Vedic Sanskrit. उसको Vedic Sanskrit में लिखा गया था. It was different from today's Sanskrit which we learn today in school. That is completely different from this Sanskrit which we learn today in schools. Vedic Sanskrit कहा करते थे हम इनको. Some scholars found similarity between Sanskrit and Indo-European languages. Sanskrit was found to be a part of family languages known as Indo-European. Some Indian languages such as Assamese, Gujarati, Hindi, Kashmiri and Sindhi. And some European languages, English, French, German, Greek and Italian belong to this family. Okay, and they are called the family because they originally had words in common. उनके कुछ words जो है वो common हुआ करते थे संस्कृत जैसे कि हम let us take the word मात्र. संस्कृत में माँ, हिंदी में हम उसको माँ बोलते हैं, संस्कृत में मात्र बोलते हैं and mother in English. So they have found some similarity. ठीक है, उसमें कुछ कॉमन हुआ करता था, इसलिए इनको हम क्या बोला करते थे, they are still called a family because they originally had some words in common. So the languages you have heard and write must have belonged to this family. आप ये इन फैमिली से बिलोंग करती होंगी. जिन्होंने इन लैंग्वेजेस के बारे में जिनको नॉलेज होगी उनको पता होगा कि कुछ वर्ड्स जो है वो कॉमन होते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे, एंड आई विल कम फर्दर विद पार्ट सेकेंड and we'll talk about further about Rig Veda. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.